And we are in front of the new Boxlife Pro 600 Street with the new Fiat Ducato chassis front end, and we shall be checking all the specs. Starting price 59. This price for this van is 83,304, and we shall be going around and waiting for the people already. Checking on the back, we have a pretty wide area for all your belongings, going up from 1.3 at the widest part and 1.3 on this part. The bedding size 1.364 from this side and approximately 1.4 from that side, having at the widest part on the 1.923 and 4 cabinets on that part. We shall be entering fastly inside so we can check the new Fiat Ducato chassis. The digital cluster is just half digital, 9-speed automatic with Pioneer entertainment system and rear camera. They removed this part to get a much more wider space for actually 3 cabinets on the upper part, some storage units down there, and the table that can have a swivel. And also the sitting area is pretty wide, and you can get it wider with this slide out thing, so you have much more space when traveling. On this part we have an actual pretty long kitchen, 2 cabinets on top, and an amazing vast kitchen on this part. Well, this is pretty big. Also on this part, sink, different storage, Thetford fridge 90 liters with freezer, and on the down part additional storage. Opening up, we have the actual Thetford cassette toilet that slides out of the way, giving you much more space to take a shower. And on this part you can open up additional storage and sink with additional storage right up there. Getting on, we have some hook for your clothing and 4 pretty deep cabinets all around, and additional storage unit right up there. And as I measured, this is not the widest bed. It's pretty comfortable for 2 people. Well, this looks pretty great, and also this looks pretty comfortable where I'm sitting at. Not bad at all. And the kitchen is extremely wide with this additional hideout. Well, not bad for a 6-meter camper van.